number 13. The table below gives information on 4 elements by letters. K, you can see K. L, you can see L. M, you can see M, and N. On the table, they have shown you electronic arrangement. K282, L2887, M2881, N2882. Atomic radius, it is like that. Ionic radius, the size, look at the size of the atomic radius and the ionic radius. Which one is bigger, which is less, or it is smaller than the atomic, or which atomic radius is bigger than the ionic radius? These are the things that you are looking in the table. You compare. Like for example, when you look at potassium or element K, you can see it has atomic radius of 0.136. Atomic radius, ionic radius is 0.065. So you can see the ionic radius is smaller than the atomic radius. So let us go to the question. You are told which two elements have two similar properties. Explain which elements have two similar properties. That one is K and N. You can see their electronic configuration. You can also see atomic radius and ionic radius, how they are behaving. So belong to the same group. They belong to the same group or have the same number of electrons in the outermost energy level. What is the most likely formula of oxide M? Oxide M, how is it going to look like? This is how it is going to look like. It has only one outermost energy level. It has only one electron. Therefore oxide will be like that, like that. You can see that. Which element is a non-metal? Explain. Looking at the table, which element is a non-metal? Why are you saying that? Write in the comment which one is a non-metal. Why are you saying like that? L has more than 4 electrons. L is the non-metal. L is the non-metal. It has more than 4 electrons in the outermost energy level, or has 7 valence electrons, or react by gaining electrons. As simple as that. Number 14. The table, the information below gives solutions and their pH values. Study it and answer the questions that follow. You can see the solution and the pH value, and you must be able to know and understand the pH scale, because that is the one that can help you to know the substance that are acidic or alkaline. State and explain the observations made when a few grams of calcium carbonate are added to solution C. Solution C, let us look and see whether it is acidic or basic. It is acidic. So we have added what? We have added calcium carbonate. What will happen? Effervescence or production of bubbles. C, being acidic, as we said, produces carbon dioxide gas, which with carbonate. Yeah, we go to B. which solution is likely to be used as an antacid? Which one can be used as an antacid? Because you know how to read the pH value, write in the comment section which one can be used as an antacid. That one is that is B. You can use B. Why? Because it has 8.5. That one is basic or alkaline. It has alkalinity properties. It can be used as an antacid. Then from there we go to number 15. Let us look at it properly from here. The diagram below is a setup for the laboratory preparation of hydrogen gas. You can see it very clearly. Liquid G, solid E. Then you can see hydrogen gas, and you can see water. Let us look at the question. What properties of hydrogen makes it possible to collect hydrogen using the method above? Hydrogen is insoluble in water. That's why we are using that method over water method. Go to next one. B. Solid E is zinc metal. Why liquid D dilute hydrochloric acid? Write a balanced chemical equation for the reaction that took place between zinc metal and hydrochloric acid. That is very simple. You write it that way and you get it correct. Correct, 1 mark. Explain the observation that would be made if zinc is replaced with copper metal. If it is replaced with the copper metal, no reaction or no bubbles. Why? Because we say the copper is not reactive. Copper is below hydrogen in the reactivity series, or is less reactive than hydrogen, or copper being below hydrogen cannot displace it from acid. That's why if it is replaced, these are the basics that we are talking about. You know how different metals react with acids. Which metal is more reactive than the other? Which gas, which element is reactive than the other? So that you can be able to answer these questions. Next, you are told list any 2 drying agents that can be used to dry hydrogen gas. What can we use to dry that gas? Concentrated sulfuric acid, or anhydrous calcium chloride, or calcium oxide. It is also called quick. You can also use quick lime. Number 16. The following is a setup used by Form 2 student in a certain school. Study it and answer the questions that follow. We have copper 2 sulfate crystals, we have magnesium ribbon, we have flame, we have heat being applied. What will happen? State and explain the observation made at the Pocklane boat containing the magnesium ribbon. What will happen when you heat? These are the things we are talking about. How do they appear when they react with what? With oxygen, different metals. Gray magnesium ribbon change to white. Heated copper 2 sulfate releases steam which oxidizes magnesium to magnesium oxide. We go to the next one. Name the type of change undergone by copper 2 sulfate crystals. That one is temporary chemical change. number. Next, write the chemical equation for the reaction taking place at the flame. At the flame, we have the hydrogen gas plus oxygen gas. You get water in form of maybe liquid or gas. We go to number 17. The following is an extract of the periodic table. The letters do not represent the actual symbols of the element. Study it and answer the questions that follow. You can see them here. You can see elements or symbols of the element L, G, Y, A, D, R, P, W. You are told to select the letters that represent the most unreactive element. That one is P. P is unreactive. Reactive nonmetal, that one is R. Reactive nonmetal, most reactive nonmetal, that one is R. Using the following letters to show the position of this element in the periodic table. The most reactive metal, you can see it is L. We have put it there, L, most reactive metal, and you know the reason why. Two forms are trivalent anion with the electronic configuration resembling that of neon. That one is D. Where is D? We put it there, D. Then as amphoteric oxide, that one is amphoteric oxide, that one is letter Y. Amphoteric. Tell us in the comment section what is the meaning of the word amphoteric in the comment section. Can gain or lose 4 electrons and is in period 3. That one is letter A. That is period 3. You can see very simple questions here, but you must have knowledge for you to be able to answer them. We go to the last question. You are told, rate the formula of the compound formed between element W and G. Element W and G. Where is W? You can see it there. And G. W and G. It can be written as you can see. You can see how it is written. We have come to an end of this video. We thank you so much for watching up to the end. We believe you have subscribed to this channel. If you have not subscribed, take a few seconds, subscribe to this channel, like this video and turn on notification so that anytime we produce a video like this one, YouTube will automatically notify you. To the subscribers, we really want to thank you guys for the support that you've given us. You can see the channel is growing. It's growing because of the support that you've given us. Otherwise, we wish you well in your papers, in your exam, in your midterm, in your CAT, in your end of term, end of year, and even KCSE. Remember, we said these questions you can exactly see them in your exam the way you can see them here. Until next time, good luck.